In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Uber Eats income and deductions in Turbotax to start filing your tax. If you drive or deliver with Uber Eats, one important part of filing your taxes is making sure your self-employment income and expenses are entered in the right section. In this walkthrough, I'll show you where to begin inside Turbotax so you can start setting that up correctly and move forward with your return with more confidence. To get started, open your Turbotax account and make sure you're on the main tax filing screen. Once you're there, look toward the top navigation area and hover over the income section. This is where Turbotax groups together all the different types of earnings you may need to report, including regular wages, gig work, and business-related income. Hovering here helps you access the tax categories tied to what you earned during the year. After that, click on Wages and Income Summary. This page gives you a broader overview of the income sections available in your return. Think of it as the central hub where you can review what has already been entered and what still needs attention. Since Uber Eats income is generally treated as self-employment income, this is the area that will guide you to the correct category rather than placing it under standard employee wages. Once you're on the summary page, scroll or look for the section labeled Self-Employment Income and Expenses and click Start. This is the key step that begins the process of entering income from delivery platforms like Uber Eats, along with any eligible deductions connected to that work. Turbotax uses this section to help organize business-related income and expenses in a way that matches how independent contractor earnings are typically reported. As you begin this section, it's a good idea to have your earnings records and expense details nearby so the rest of the process goes more smoothly. Even though this video focuses on how to get into the right area to start filing, entering your information in the correct section from the beginning can help reduce confusion later and make the rest of your tax preparation much easier. Take your time as you move through each screen and make sure you're selecting the self-employment category, not a wages section meant for traditional jobs. That small detail makes a big difference in how your Uber Eats income and deductions are handled. And that's how to get to the correct Turbotax section to start importing your Uber Eats income and deductions for your tax filing.